Howdy doodle 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 doo. Howdy doodle 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 doo. This is day 5 of the construction project. Things moving along quite nicely right now. We'll show you some of the things that have been done. So as you can see, they've started to put up the skeletal structure for the greenhouse. These green like poles are called purlines. And they're pretty much an analogy to the wooden 2x4. Now, we use purlines here in Nicaragua because of the termite problem. Termites get into everything, and so we construct with metal and cement. And typically more metal than cement. Of course, that sets up another problem, another challenge, because metal can rust. And so the metal has to be painted with a special anti-rust paint, and even that doesn't completely prevent the rust, and you have to reapply it and sand it and what have you. Here you can see more of the structure going up, more of those purlines on top, and now some going along the top of the cement. This is a very interesting process to watch these guys do this. They cut the metal with something called an angle grinder that has a special wheel that cuts right through the metal. It also is used like a sander, a different wheel, but like a sander for the metal too. Now, while the construction of the skeleton for the greenhouse is going on, there's a couple other guys that are transferring dirt from behind the chicken house to fill up the space defined by the greenhouse, so that we have a level surface there. And as you can see, this is just more of the construction being accomplished. Now we have more of the purlines on the top. We're making the roof. Every construction project, almost without fail, there's a point at which you realize that a mistake has been made. And you have to step back and figure out how to do it. And that happened in this construction project too. The roof here was supposed to have an inclination coming this way, which it has now. They fixed it. You could see from the footage that it was like a tabletop. It was completely flat. Now we wanted the inclination so that we could collect water off of this roof. You know, we have a policy here that we don't have any kind of a structure with a roof on it unless we're also collecting water off of it. We collect it off of the shack here, we collect it off of the house, we collect it off the chicken house, we collect water off of everything. Because water is a big deal here during the summer. So we want to make sure we have enough of the supply. So the guys had to make some some critical adjustments to allow for that inclination coming down here that will allow the water to always come off this way. And that probably took them half a day, so they lost like a half a day of work. But as you can see, they still have almost everything ready. They had to transfer a significant amount of dirt to fill this whole area up here so that it'll be level. Eventually, they're going to have to do some work here in the middle to achieve that, and that took a tremendous amount of work because they had to bring the dirt from back behind the chicken house, and with a wheelbarrow, and that's not an easy job. So we're definitely appreciative of their dedication of doing that. Tomorrow they'll put the cyclone fence up there, I'm sure. I don't know. It'll either be the cyclone fence or the roof will go up, and then we'll be right toward the end of it. Right toward the end of the project. Maybe a couple more days and the whole thing will be done. You can see this is one of the pieces that they cut out of the vertical beams here so that they could get the angle right, and then they had to support it with another beam there. So they had to take almost a foot, 30 centimeters out of here to be able to accommodate what we wanted. We're here on day 6 of the construction project, and as you can see, a lot has been accomplished. The roof, the clear roof, the polycarbonate roof is up. The cyclone fence in the back is up. These panels here, which go to the lower part of both the front and the back, they're up. This is a shade area here. This is up, and the eaves for collecting water off the roof are up. We solved the mistake. The mistake was solved, and once the mistake was solved, things moved very quickly. Tomorrow, I expect that they might be done, because really all they have to do is, build the door for this and put the cyclone fence on the sides, and then put the black saran that helps to filter out the sun up there, and that'll be it. We have some cleanup here, obviously, that has to happen. And I just noticed, Lena, right behind you. Turn around. Right behind you. Turn around. Turn all the way around. There's the door. They already built the door. I didn't realize it until I just saw it. So the door is ready to come up here. So I expect that they're going to finish tomorrow. So that's a very good thing. With that, I guess I'll sign off for now, and we'll see you in the next video.